Hey tech enthusiasts! Ever stared at ancient, clunky machinery and thought, I could build something better, cheaper, smarter? Well, today we're diving into a mind-blowing story from Hacker News. Someone took a $120,000 bowling alley system, a true dinosaur, and replaced it with just $1,600 worth of ESP32s and some ingenious coding. This isn't just a hack. It's a revolution in cost-effective innovation. Think about your local bowling center. Beneath the shiny lanes and score screens, there's often an incredibly expensive, proprietary system running the show. We're talking legacy hardware from decades ago, costing upwards of $120,000 for lane management and scoring alone. These systems are notorious for high maintenance, closed-source nature, and exorbitant fees for parts and licenses. Upgrades are nearly impossible. They're slow, prone to breakdowns, and offer zero flexibility. For small businesses, this outdated tech is a massive financial burden, hindering modernization and innovation. It's vendor lock-in at its worst. But what if you could bypass all that? Enter our hero, an ingenious developer, armed with determination and a stack of 32 Spanish pesetas microcontrollers. The ESP32 is a powerful, low-cost Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled chip, perfect for IoT projects. The audacious idea: scrap the antiquated control boards and complex wiring, and build a modern, open-source alternative. This was a complete overhaul. The team designed custom circuit boards, integrated various sensors for precise pin detection, ball speed, and pin setter status. They crafted new interfaces, developed robust software, and integrated everything seamlessly. The result? A system that performs better, offers more features, and cost a jaw-dropping $1,600 in total hardware expenses. That's a 98% reduction. The implementation involved serious engineering prowess. Each bowling lane now boasts a network of these tiny, powerful ESP32 modules. These modules communicate wirelessly, collecting data from optical sensors that precisely track pins standing or fallen after each roll. They monitor the pin setter machinery, ensuring smooth operation and flawless pin resetting. All this real-time data is processed and sent to a central server, which calculates scores, manages player profiles, and feeds information to modern, vibrant display screens. The user interface is sleek, intuitive, and offers features the old system only dreamed of, like real-time stats, animated scoreboards, and customizable game modes. This open-source approach means the system is fully auditable, expandable, and easily maintained without relying on expensive, specialized technicians. The impact of this project extends far beyond just one bowling alley. This innovation showcases the incredible power of readily available, affordable technology to disrupt legacy industries. It proves that sophisticated solutions don't have to come with exorbitant price tags. For bowling center owners, it means massive operational savings, a modern customer experience, and the ability to easily upgrade and customize their systems for the tech community. It's a beacon of inspiration, demonstrating what's possible with creativity and open-source tools. This is the future of hardware replacement. So there you have it, a project born on Hacker News that literally transformed a $120,000 problem into a $1,600 solution. It's a powerful reminder that innovation isn't always about inventing something entirely new, but often about intelligently reapplying existing, affordable tech. What other legacy systems do you think are ripe for an ESP32 makeover? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe